This is Dr. Amla, and today we are coming up with a very interesting topic. Usually when it comes to cosmetology, people always correlate it with females. But being a cosmetologist, the major portion of my clients are males. And the most important complaint that they have is receding hairline or AGA, androgenic pattern of balding. So we all know it is something which is out of our control. There is no way we can completely cure them. But there are many ways in which we can prevent them or delay their onset. In this regard, I will be introducing one ingredient or one medicine and how it can be applied. Be very careful. This has to be done under doctor supervision. I am doing this video because many of the people, even though they buy the medicines, they don't know how it has to be applied properly. So this is just to help them out understand how it has to be properly done. About the medicine which I am using, it is one of our preparation. So usually the major ingredients which go into this can either be a Croton tiglium or what we call in Sanskrit Jayapala, or your rosary piece, what is usually called as the gunja. So these are the main ingredients which we are using because it is cassia. That means it is promoting your hair growth. And it is considered to be an irritant. So the mode of action will be very faster. You can use any medicine which has these as the ingredients. So we have used one with Croton tiglium, and I will be introducing you to this, the medicine and how you can do it. Moving on to the introduction and what you need for that. I will show you the because this medicine has to be applied with very much caution. People may think it is an Ayurvedic medicine, it is very safe to use. No, it gives you wonderful results provided you are doing it according to what your doctor has told you. And does it work for everyone? No. There are certain factors which determine the efficacy of this medicine. The first one is the age of the person. So if you have the feeling that there is a chances of balding in your family, you can come at a very early age so that the receding hairline can be prevented to a certain extent or for certain time. The second one is the active hair follicles which is present. Usually for some people, though the balding history might be recent, but the hair follicles will not be active. So in that kind of people also, this medicine will not work. The third one is the history of the balding. So usually if you have a very recent history of balding, it is very much easy to control it or prevent it. But if you have a very larger history of balding, it is difficult to control it. So this is a non-invasive method of managing androgenic pattern of balding. Going on to the ingredients. So essentially, we are using the medicine. So this is one of our preparation using Croton tiglium. You can use any such medicines which is possible, which is available. Then we have lemon. So essentially the medicine has to be soaked in lemon overnight. Lemon helps you to reduce down on the irritation activity of the medicine. So it does not give you any adverse drug reactions or some inflammations, etc. So this is what we are using. I will show you how you have to prep the medicine for usage. So the number of medicines depend on the area of application. For the person whom I am applying it on, I need only 2 to 3 tablets. So I am taking 3 tablets. And to get the maximum swarasa or the juice out of rainbow, just press it nicely before you cut it open and squeeze it up. So this actually helps you to have a lot of more juice coming out from it. So, and we don't need the entire lemon. We just need a little bit of it to soak it. So if you are trying to put it in this way, you will need a lot of lemon juice. Which will actually happen is once we try to make it into a paste, it becomes watery. So it will not be able to stay once we have applied it. So support it over something so that it is slightly slanted and we get the tablets in one area, so we can soak them in this supported area. Now we will take in. So the quantity of lemon is also depending on the juice we will get and the number of tablets. So the only thing is so these are almost dipped in it. Now we have to let it stay overnight. You can see that the tablet will be remaining the same, but when you touch it, it would have gone soft. And how to apply it? We'll wait for the tablet to be properly soaked, and I'll show you how it has to be applied. So, the precautions we have to take. So, usually it will come with the precautions, but to help you out, this has to be applied first day for 10 minutes, just to see how your body is sensitive to it, and then slowly progress daily to 12 minutes, 14 minutes, 16 minutes, 18 minutes, and then 20 minutes. It should not exceed more than 20 minutes. And the way you have to remove it also, I will be demonstrating, because by chance if this go into your eyes, or when you are taking a bath, if the medicine was not properly removed, if that water goes into your eyes, it may cause sometimes a little bit dizziness, maybe a blurring of vision, and that may panic the person. So be very cautious when you are applying it or when you are suggesting it for your patients. So we'll take a short break and come back once the medicines are prepped for the labor. So this has been soaked overnight. If you can see the consistency, it looks same like that of a tablet as we have soaked it. But when we press it, it will be very soft. I'll show you the pressing and everything once we are going to apply, because if you press it now, you will have loss of medicine, because I'll have to wash my hands again. So before application, I'll show you how it will feel when we are pressing it. And always it is better if you just apply it using some earbuds, because for some people it may cause a irritation. For some people, need not always be, but for self application you can either use this or you can use the hands itself. Okay, so I just wanted to show the consistency. People may be doubtful seeing that it is not properly soaked, but it is completely soaked. And you can see that we need only this much of the lemon juice to make it into a paste. This much is required for maintaining the proper consistency. So we'll move on to the application. So first we have to analyze the area where we have to apply the paste, and take a very sharp teeth comb. Use that comb to give multiple strokes in the area. So start off with one direction, repeat the strokes multiple times, change the direction, repeat the stroke multiple times, give the complete massage over the area where you have to give the apply the LEPA. Repeat it in the other side also. The pressure applied should be slightly more than what we usually give when we comb our hair. So once that is done, we will make a paste out of the soaked tablets. You can see that the tablets, though looking very stiff, can easily be made into a paste if we just press it with the fingers. So whatever lemon juice is left in that, mix it and make a very uniform paste without any lumps. And once that is done, use a earbud and apply it in the area. You can use your fingers, but for some people, especially if you are a Pitta Prakriti person, there are chances that there might be some irritation. Apply a thin uniform coat on the area. Note the time of application, because you have to make sure you only leave it for 10 minutes on the first day. If there is any burning sensation on application, remove the LEPA immediately and apply aloe vera gel, which gives you a cooling effect. On the first day, the LEPA has to be applied for 10 minutes. Slowly increase 2 minutes daily till you reach 20 minutes. And once 20 minutes is reached, it has to be continued till the procedure is going on. You should not keep the LEPA for more than 20 minutes at any cost. Now we will let it sit for 10 minutes. So I have taken a cloth tissue here. Slowly and gently wipe off the LEPA which is applied. I have just dipped it in normal water, and you can see that the paste application is very much thick. It sticks onto the skin and the scalp. So repeatedly rub it till you get a very clean cloth. The reason is, most of the time there are chances that this LEPA will stick onto the scalp or on the hair.
when you take a bath, if that water with the Lepa falls on the eyes, you may feel blurring of vision or dizziness for some moments. So that may cause a panic in the person who is using it. So to be very safe, make sure the Lepa is completely taken off before you start application of the oil.
We have seen how the medicine has to be applied, the duration, and how we have to take it. So what do you do once the medicine is taken off? After that, you have to apply a hair oil. You can use any hair oil that you are used to, or I will share the link of the hair oil which I use. You can buy it from the link given in the description. Along with the link for the hair oil, I'll also put in the link for the medicine which I have used. You can buy it from that. If you have any doubts, please leave it as a query in the comment box. We will revert back with the proper answer. And usually you need around 45 days of application to have this new hair follicles. If you have seen the thumbnail, you could have seen this is a progress we get within 45 days, provided you judiciously follow the treatment as mentioned along with the diet and restrictions. Hope all of you will be very safe when you are trying this medicine. Stick on to the rules and get new hair follicles grown without any invasive management. So this is concerning the main issue that males face. When it comes to females, one of the most common thing we all do is we use a chemical treatment to our hair. Like we might have smoothened, we might have given a protein treatment, keratin treatment, straightening, and we all know the look will be very good, but the after effects will be very bad. You usually will be associated with hair fall, the loss of the hair luster, and people like the beauticians themselves advise that we have to keep on giving protein treatment and all to maintain the luster and prevent the hair fall. Now that everyone is at home, there is no beauty parlors open, or we are a bit skeptical whether we have to go there or not, I will introduce to you one hair toner and one hair pack which can be applied from your home and will give you a very good effect on the hair. In the next video, I'll introduce you to this hair toner, how to prepare it and how to use it. And in the video after that, I'll be telling you how to prepare the hair pack at home, which is very good for giving you a voluminous, thick, shiny hair. So stay tuned for that in the next coming videos. Till then, it's bye from Dr. Amala. Thank you.